Wow, 5 o'clock in the morning. Absolutely beautiful out here. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So the sun comes up really early here. Beautiful. It must come up at like 4:30 or something. Thought I might beat it. So it's very beautiful here this morning. So this is what early morning looks like. These look like nice apartments. Don't see too many of us. Beautiful. That's the train station there. So yeah, pretty quiet in the mornings in Taiwan. People don't get up so early. This is a gaming store for the kids. It's full of computers, high-tech computers where they play the games. So my place has got car parking, which is quite useful. It's a very tidy operation here. They're sweeping up outside. Oh, so it's about 7:30 now. I'm going to do my washing this morning, and I'm going to go and get a train ticket from the station, just so I don't have to go and buy it when I've got all my heavy bags with me. I've been doing that quite regularly, just to make it easier for me. So this is my breakfast. I've got spicy noodles with 2 eggs added. I put the eggs in and then add the hot water, and then that actually cooks it enough. I put it in the microwave, but it's made the yolks go hard. So next time I think I'll just add the hot water and leave it. But yeah, beautiful here today. Got my washing on upstairs. I'm going to leave here just after 11. Cool. So there's a whole ton of places to eat down here. This place, I get vouchers from my hotel. Food looks really good there, and they seem really friendly. Very clean looking place. Yeah, I get a 50 NTD voucher every day for that place, but I think the first day it was closed. I think it was maybe open yesterday, but I wasn't in the mood for Taiwanese breakfast. And today I'm kind of doing my washing and stuff, so I don't think I'm going to have that. I'm having noodles that I bought the other night, but that does look really good. That looks like the best Taiwanese breakfast I've seen. Presentation and the size of the dishes. Oh, it's so beautiful here. So we've got a lot of fighter jets going over this morning. Helicopter coming in. It's very busy. So my hotel just here. Just walking quickly to the bus station to buy my ticket for 11:51. That gets me in to Taipei at 2:14. There's a slower train that takes 4.5 hours, almost twice as long, and it's virtually half the price. But I don't want to be sat on a train for over 4 hours today, because when I get to Taipei I've got to take 2 undergrounds. Whoa! Getting ready for the Chinese. Boom! Damn! Oh shit! They're ready for you. Oh! Damn! Woo! Wow! Oh shit, got me dead! Whoa! 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 Woohoo! Damn! They're loud! My ears are popping! Whoa! Okay, enough. Seen enough. Beautiful. Going out here to get my ticket. See how convenient the hotel is though. Ticket time. This is what to do at the station if there's an earthquake. Run! Interesting. See, there's a bit of a queue for tickets. I'm glad I came to do it now without my big bags. Oh, sneaking in. So that was really easy. Queued for like a minute. Got my ticket. She spoke perfect English. I swear to God, I was so unlucky last year when I went to Qingshui. No one at the station spoke English. No one I bumped into. And Taipei, the other station that I was using. There you go, 9:16. Got my washing in the dryer. Come back here at 11 o'clock and we'll be off. So it's a very clean, organised little state. Well, let's say little, it's quite big actually. It goes all the way down there. But I think this is where I've got to come to. Like a waiting area. Look at the view out the window. Yeah, Taiwan is stunningly beautiful. Naturally beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Everyone travelling here seems to enjoy themselves. It's a completely different crowd though. The backpackers, the Southeast Asian backpackers who like to party every night do not come to Taiwan. I'm not saying don't come, I say they don't come to Taiwan. It's not their cup of tea. They want to get drunk and party on the beach. Taiwan's more of a cultural experience, shall we say. Lady's in a rush. What's she up to? Right, so that's taken so many pictures and videos of this mountain. Got my train ticket, 440 NTD. It's about 39 NTD to the pounds. About 11, 12 pounds. And that gets me all the way into the centre of Taipei. And then I take two subways to pretty much right in front of my hotel was a subway station, so easy. So yeah, today we're going from here to Taipei, pretty much follow the coast to Taipei. And you just notice this is real plants. Starts down on the ground floor, comes all the way up. Beautiful. They water it with the hose. Sweet. Yeah, it's quite a nice little station, this. Such a beautiful view from the train station. Right, platform 3B, 415 at 11:51 is our train. It's 11:28. So, Friday today. In Taiwan, you don't need to book train tickets generally until the actual day, unless it's a national holiday. And they don't gouge the tickets like in the UK. The more the demand goes up, the more the price goes up of the tickets. That doesn't happen here, it's one fixed price. 440 NTD, and that's the price. It does not change. They don't even offer you the classes of ticket. I think there's only one class. This is our classless society. Oh, another thing they do is they allocate seats and carriages, and it's on the platform, so you know exactly where to stand waiting for your train. I don't think they do that thing like they do in the UK, where if all the seats are sold, they still sell tickets, and like you have to bloody stand up. But I could be wrong. Maybe it does happen especially on the west side of the island, where the trains are a lot busier. I'm going to get some of these old people to stand up. Give me a seat. Beautiful. Quite busy actually. I think the train might be quite full going to Taipei on a Friday. His lunch looks good. So we're at the Blue Dot, Hualien. We're heading up the coast on the train and then cutting across to Taipei. Going to the capital of Taiwan today. So it looks like there's no road along here, it's only the railway, so to get this view you have to do it by train, unless the roads... No, I don't think there's a road. They're still repairing stuff from the earthquake last year. Lots of tunnels. This looks like a big dock. Got this chimney. It's cool. That must be for grain or minerals or something. else. It's a bit boring. Really nice beach. So it looks like we're following the coast. Currently going away from Taipei. That's beautiful. Good seafood. So we've gone right up north, past Taipei, and we have to come back in. I think this is called Cat Village, some sort of tourist attraction. Almost there. There's quite a good metro network in Taipei, central Taipei. Yellow, red, purple. Right, we arrived in Taipei. I've got to join the Red Line MRT now, wherever that is. We'll find it. Very busy here, as expected, capital city. But they give you a long time to get on and off the train, so don't worry about not being able to get off at your stop if it's busy. Right, so that's pretty clear. You come out and then this sign's right here. So I want the red MRT Tatsumi line. So I'm going that way. Cool. Yeah, it's pretty busy here. Well, it is the main station in Taipei, so I guess you'd expect it. You know what this reminds me of? It's like the Asian version of the London Underground. Everyone's in a rush, going somewhere. Not quite as rude, not quite as impatient, but yeah, it's very busy. This isn't even rush hour. This is like 2:30 in the afternoon on whatever day it is today, Friday. Damn, it is busy in here. That's a bit of a game. You have to get a token. It takes me 2 stops. I've got to change trains, but you only need 1 token to do the journey. It's only 20 NTD, which is like 50 pence, 60 pence, 70 pence. Very busy on here. Very busy. Right, I think we're going down here. I think this is the orange line. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Right, so I've arrived at Taipei Bridge Station. And my hotel is just outside this station, over there somewhere. So this is a vending machine where you get a fancy sponge cake in a fancy bag. Like 12 quid. Bloody hell. This looks cool. I think I'm over there. this looks like a cool little area. Bloody hot. Again. I think, yeah, I'm over there and up there somewhere. So I can see a sign for my hostel, Hey Bear Capsule Hostel. It's in this building, right literally opposite the station, which is bloody handy. Thank you. We've arrived. It feels like Hong Kong, this place. So this is the communal lounge at my hotel. Looks quite nice. Always like to have a big lobby like that. That's awesome. It's got PowerPoints. Got a laundry room, got a pantry. Oh, that's sweet. Oh yeah, it's a good choice, I think. Brilliant. No smoking. Not eat or drink in the room. Those are the rules. Oh, you got lockers, that's cool. Oh, look at that retro game. No cooking with personal eating, okay. It's a pretty cool view. That's the train station and that. This looks really cool, but I'm kind of glad I've only booked 3 nights. I was going to book 4 nights, but I think 3 nights in a big city like this will be enough for me. I can do the exploring and then go somewhere quieter. Yeah, because it's just a monster. The main city centre, there's a river. It's on the other side of the river. I'm going to walk over there. After, I was going to say take a shower, but I think I might not bother. What's happening here? Oh! Accident. Bloody hell. What did he hit? Anyway, I'm gonna go and get ready and then I'm gonna go out. I might shower, I haven't decided yet. So I think my plan for Taipei is to pretty much spend 2 days outside walking. Because I don't really want to be in a capsule. 2 days hardcore exploring the city, and then on Monday we'll take a train to, where are we going? Taichung. We'll go to Taichung, which is a much quieter city, although it's quite a big city actually, but quieter than Taipei. Yeah, this place is pretty cool. Like, everything is on a touchpad. Touch your key and the door opens. Same for the rooms. Same for yeah, pretty much everything. Lift. This is where you hang your towel when it gets wet. I hope no one pinches it. Yeah, so I've got a locket. Everything's on keycard. It's really well organised. Oh, I forgot something.